thing that I definitely want to highlight is how exciting big data is. From an engineering point of view, it just creates this unlimited possibility of new usage models and new applications across a continuum of industries, and there's an unprecedented opportunity to do things that we have never been able to do before.
It's automated banking, it's automated compute in your email box. If you go to a customer and you're a salesman, your email says, hey, are you going to give the same presentation that you gave an hour ago? And you're going to say yes, and it pops up onto your screen. If we look at any type of great technology that comes to the marketplace, it's about saving time and convenience for people.
We are using AI capabilities to find duplicate bugs. Because when you do kind of similarity analysis to identify these similar bugs, it kind of helps our debug engineers to focus on the unique bugs, and helps the time to market of the product.
If you look at today's data native companies or digital native companies, they are all data natives. They are basically using data at the point of every decision making, right? And doing that real time, either to automate something, as you mentioned, or to augment your decision making, or human beings like us, or to innovate new business models, right?
Cloud is the fastest predator that I have ever seen of any idea or technology. In terms of the cycles that we've all worked with in the past, a 10-year life cycle was kind of a norm. We're looking at 6 and 12-month life cycles right now. And why is that? It's because of the pace of innovation.
There has been a lot of discussion about, well, this is an incredibly powerful tool with big data and machine learning. There's also a lot of possible societal challenges and risks associated with it. What are your thoughts on what the biggest challenges we're facing as society with this data, and what sort of steps should we be taking to address that?
A principal agent dilemma is actually, in my mind, one of the biggest risks associated with big data. And we have a lot of examples of that have emerged in the consumer sector around use of Facebook data and how companies are actually monetizing consumer data in ways that consumers are not even aware of. And when the data are monetized by companies in ways that consumers are not aware of, that essentially, effectively eliminates their agency and their ability to make choices.
The thing that I think the cloud is going to do is it's going to enable all of these use cases that people were talking about here, healthcare, autonomous vehicles, to actually become real. Because when you make it easy for compute, storage, and analytics to become one, that's when it gets interesting.